remarkable strides across various industries. But what about its impact on medicine? Can AI replace the need for doctors? How exactly is AI being utilized, and what are its implications for the future of healthcare? Join us as we explore the future of AI in medicine. AI is revolutionizing the field of medicine, enhancing accuracy, efficiency, and accessibility. It is being utilized in medical imaging, diagnosis, treatment planning, patient monitoring, and more. Medical imaging is one area where AI shines. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can assist in interpreting X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans. This assists in faster and more accurate diagnoses, improving patient outcomes. AI exhibits remarkable diagnostic capabilities, particularly in specialties like radiology, pathology, and dermatology. Studies have shown that AI algorithms can outperform human experts in certain tasks, leading to more precise and timely diagnoses. AI can assist doctors in treatment planning by analyzing patient data and suggesting personalized treatment options. This approach, known as precision medicine, tailors treatments based on individual characteristics, leading to improved outcomes. AI is transforming patient monitoring and telemedicine. Wearables and sensors powered by AI can collect and analyze real-time patient data, enabling remote monitoring and reducing the need for in-person visits. This enhances accessibility and improves healthcare delivery. While AI offers immense potential, it is crucial to recognize the continued importance of doctors in the AI era. Human expertise, empathy, and critical thinking remain indispensable in medical practice. However, it is essential to address the limitations and ethical considerations surrounding AI in medicine. Challenges such as data bias, privacy concerns, and the need for human oversight must be carefully navigated to ensure responsible and ethical implementation of AI technologies. AI should augment, not replace, doctors. In conclusion, AI is revolutionizing medicine, augmenting diagnostics,